Hey guys, it's Lacey. Today I'm finally stretching the 6 gauge. I mean, there's not much to say. A lot of people don't like this stretch because it's like hard going from 8 gauge to 6 gauge. So I went to 7 gauge first. I'll link that video in the description. Yeah, I went to 7 gauge first to make it easier to go to 6 gauge. So now I'm finally going to 6 gauge. I'm gonna go ahead and get started and take out the jewelry. I'm going to clean my ears with ear care solution. Then I'm going to massage both of my ears with vitamin E oil. Now I'm finally going to put in the glass plugs. Instead of getting the clear ones, I got the ones that have like black in front of it because those match more of my outfits. When I wear the regular glass ones, it looks like I'm wearing pearls and I don't like that. Vitamin E oil on my plug, and then see, that went in pretty easy. Then okay, that was a little bit harder, but it still went in easy. I'm gonna put the O-rings on the back. Okay, well that was a pretty easy stretch. Here's what it looks like. I'll see you guys in my next stretching video and like other videos too. We started school, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna have time to do YouTube, but yeah, that's all for today. See you next time.